Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy half up, half down hairstyle. I've curled the hair using my GHD curling tongs, but this can work just as well on straight hair too. To curl the hair, I'm just taking small sections and wrapping it around the length of my tong. When I move on to the next curl, I always make sure that I wrap it in the opposite direction. Then just repeat this process over the entire head. Once you've curled all the hair, just take a dry texture spray and spray this through the lengths of the hair just to break up those curls. Next, take a rat tail comb and take it from the top of the head to just behind the ear and clip that front section out of the way for later, and then just repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Now use your thumbs to section out the crown area of the hair and just pop this into a small ponytail using a clear elastic band. And then just to loosen it up, just use your finger and thumb to pinch and pull just to give it a nice messy look. Then just release those side sections from the clips and bring them both round to the back of the head. Now all we're going to do is create a simple knot, so just as if you were tying your shoelaces. Pull that over the elastic band and then just slip a bobby pin or two through that knot just to keep it secure. Spend a few minutes just pinching and pulling at the area around the knot just to loosen everything up. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.